What is going on, my stock market bulls and bears? I'm your host, Terry, and welcome to the channel, Buy the Dip. Guys, I'm here talking about a stock that I think has potential to be a beast growth stock here in the near future. And I think it's just being super undervalued and just not being looked at. That ticker symbol is BARK, that's right, BarkBox. This thing is going to be a banger, guys. This is one that people, I believe, is sleeping on. Here we are on the 1 month chart looking at the 1 hour buys, and it doesn't have too much of volume. And the biggest volume I do see was here on June the 9th. You know, it had 2.7, and then at 3 o'clock on June the 9th, it had 1.6. And it did kind of slowly keep going up. It got to 1284, and if you look here at this point, where it slowly keeps descending down. So right now, this stock is getting no love, and we're going to go over in today's video. Look at the volumes down here then for the hour, like 40,000, 50,000, 60,000, 28,000 shares. Just very, very low volumes in these hour increments, as just unbelievable. And this is one that, if you look at Chewy in a sense, this is like the number 2 player in the pet industry for your animals. So we're going to go over why I love this stock. And I do have 100, and I believe it's 10 shares. Let me go back to that on this. Yeah, here we go. 110 shares at an average cost of $13.72. And yeah, I am down in this position 22%, but I am not worried. I'm actually looking to pick more of this up. I'm trying to get some money built up by doing those covered calls, and I'm going to pick up some more BarkBox and average down this one, because I wouldn't mind getting 200 shares of BarkBox and get ready for this thing to take off once Wall Street wakes up and realizes the opportunity they are missing. So guys, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and let's get to the video. Alright, first we do have an article here by my man Luke Lango. I love Luke, and he's a great author here on Investor Place. I do like what he does. Here he has this under hyper growth investing. Bark brings it bite with new merger, buy rating, and multi-bagger potential. Word on the street is that Jefferies has joined us in our support of dog-friendly company Bark. And we touted our strong support for Bark, the parent company behind BarkBox, several months ago, and now Bark stock has resumed its upward trajectory on good news. Now, this was posted 9 days ago on June 11th. That's going back when it was getting back up to $11, $12. Since then, it kind of has just dipped back down to $10. So this is a great opportunity. This stock's been trying to break that $12, $13 price point here recently. This stock was up to over $18 when this thing first came out, guys. So it's a great opportunity to get on this. So here it says the merger closed $427 million cash that Bark can spend on its expansion of various product lines. This includes, but not limited to, extremely successful toy and treat subscription service. But this is just the tip of the extremely solid iceberg that we've been riding for a while now. Bark is, more importantly, already very successful at the forefront of growing pet-friendly megatrend. This plus recent news means it's a great time to hop on the dog train with this pet stock. So that's kind of the basics there of that, guys. What I want to show you is, check out these numbers here. This is BarkBox's Instagram page. Right up top here, 1.7 million followers, guys. If that doesn't get you excited, I don't know what will. There is a huge community behind people loving their pets. And you can see down here, man, people dress them up. They take their videos. It's just all kind of social stuff here. People post all their stuff, playing with the BarkBox toys. And you can click on here to see, more stuff. They have all the different groups down here. There's a Bark group, actually. They have the Super Chewer for Bark. There is even Chewy there as well. That's for more related accounts. But we're just more worried about BarkBox. But, Chewy, in a sense, is with the pets as well. And here they have their BarkBox, a monthly box of toys, treats, and chews to thrill your dog, made by Bark. BarkBox Day, need a stronger challenge? The Super Chewer for your big, strong dogs. All right, guys, if we go to BarkBox's Twitter page, they have a nice subscriber or follower account on Twitter as well, 306,000 followers. So people on here talk about their dogs. They'll tag BarkBox. BarkBox is really good on the social media. And here you can see right here, man. They also have who they follow, even Grumpy Cat and all the other people. But they do reply to people. I got on here and check it out. They're very active with their, customers in a sense. So people, like this cute dog right here, they're just on it, guys. That's all I can say. They are really on it. If you go to barkbox.com, their page is just so colorful. It's so inviting. It just like, if you're an animal lover, this could be the stock for you guys. There they even have, look at that. Remember that popsicle stick when we were growing up as kids? There it is, man. The red, white, and blue popsicle stick. And all kind of, check this out. They have all kind of different themes. Guys, I even did a video on this just not long ago where they had Dogecoin in on this as well. So that was kind of interesting. And here you go. You got Floyd, the squeaker in chief, and you got Frank, the assistant manager of the treats department. And this is just so cute with the animals down here. And people post their pictures with their BarkBox toys. And here you see they got some Scooby-Doo and things like that. And they were also featured in all these different areas here as well. You can see their products are all right here. So let's go to this article here that is out. And this was published a few, back in the beginning of the year, but I wanted to cover something that talks about their revenues. So BarkBox parent revenues grow 78% in Q3. So after inking the deal with the Northern Star acquisition, which was the Spac now it is official under their own stock under Bark. Today, the company reported third quarter revenue grew 78% year over year to around $105 million according to the company's press release. Subscription shipments in the period grew 47% from last year to 1.1 million, with new subscriptions grew 66% year over year to 381,000. Bark also releases results for 9 months ending in December 31st, including net revenue of $266 million and a net loss of $24 million, a slight improvement from the net loss of $27 million in the prior year. So basically, guys, they're getting closer to being profitable. As they, keep doing this year over year, they're going to figure out ways to probably buy stuff more in bulk. They'll get the prices down. They'll get more subscriptions. And they're eventually going to get profitable. So that's what we want to see, is that their net loss is going down. And this is just one, guys, that I think people is just honestly sleeping on. And I don't know, man. I just have a good feeling about this one. Even though I'm currently in the hole, I am not selling. They're not getting my shares. Because, if we go back here on the year chart, when this thing first came out, all right, is it not going to load up now? Is it going to be funky on me? Here we go. Let me get the 1 year. There we go. When this first came out, guys, this thing has most SPACs. It shot up to $18.50. And for the longest time when I was covering this stock, it was hanging around the $12 to $15 range. And then, as we know, all the SPACs got attacked in a sense during that SPAC attack. And it went from 15 the whole way down to 1078. And it's kind of been up and down, little roller coaster. Congratulations to anyone that bought this in the $9 range. I must say I am a little jealous. In May, I'm super jealous of anyone that was able to buy this in the $9 range. But, I have a little bit of money here. I'm looking for Monday possibly to do some covered calls on my portfolio. And that way I can get some more buying power. And with that buying power, I believe this is the stock at the current price that I'm looking to add to my position. That's right. BarkBox is going to be the one that I'm looking to add to my position, guys. This article here on Investor Place by Luke is really good. Go check out the whole article. Maybe I'll put this down in the pinned comment. That way you can read over it. I just wanted to kind of cover a couple key points on it. And like I said, I'm just super excited about Bark. I think it is one that is going to do us good in the future. So guys, if you like this video, hit that thumbs up, hit that subscription, ding the bell on the way out, and check out all the links down below. And I'll catch you all in the next one, guys. Peace.